Well, as the India AI Impact Summit is underway in the national capital, we have some of the reactions of prominent CEOs from Indian and global firms lauding Prime Minister Modi's AI vision of harnessing artificial intelligence to transform India into a global hub for innovation and inclusion.
It's a matter of great pride to see it, in action today, and the kind of global pull that has come into India, to showcase support for the India's AI, for showcase support for India's AI ambition is fantastic. I definitely believe that this is a major push towards, our sovereignty in the field of AI, and the kind of commitments that have been made today, especially from, one of the commitments has been from our group, is all towards pushing the goal of creating sovereign AI India. PM Sir's vision on how India should be anchoring the world of AI, and acting as not just purely as a disruptor but also a stabilizer in this world. His vision of AI for all, AI, is very commendable, and I think India and the current government is uniquely positioned to be able to achieve this.
This particular summit has democratized AI. This has now become people's AI. More people are now aware and interested in this technology and therefore will benefit and use it than ever before. So I think in India, AI meets humanity. This summit is essentially about this no longer being an elite instrument or platform, but rather a tool for everyday individuals. Prime Minister's vision has always been clear. It's people first, planet first.
I think it's a moment for the world to come together on something that we know is going to change our lives, especially with Indians from across different parts of the world, Indians from across different parts of India. It's really humbling to see so many people come for something that's a new age technology, just like fintech. I think we'll also jump up in the AI race. So really good initiative. I really met some amazing people. And everyone's excited about India. That's the best part. I think the world is seeing a centralization of power for AI, and the PM's vision of making sure that everyone gets access to it itself is a big, big, big mission. We should all stand by and support it. It's very important that it doesn't become a global single power race, but a multipolar, accessible to all, open source probably, kind of an initiative. AI should be for everyone and good for all. Thank you.